So now let's see how we can use and adjust outlines inside of Polotno Studio. So in order to do that, over here on the left hand side, we can go around under shapes right here, and you can see that there's different sort of lines that we can work with. For example, I can go around and bring in this line or bring in this dash line right here. But you can go around over here on the top and choose, let's say for example, this line and turn it into a dash line as well by going around over here on the top, and then by going around over here in the settings, you can choose the dash line right here, and you can change around the line size just like this and turn it into a dash line as well, just like that, as you can see. Apart from that, you can go around and choose the arrowheads right here just like this, and then choose what you want right here in the beginning and do the same for the end as well. You can go around and click and drag this out right here, and you can change around the line right here. You can change the direction and the length just like this. You can go around over here and change around the color of the line as well according to how you want right here, and that is what you have just like this. So you can change around the line size, as you can see right here. You can change around the dash type right here just like this, and so forth. And you can see that there's some presets of lines right here, and you can see that they are simply what you can choose from over here. So that is how you can use and adjust outlines inside of Polotno Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.